I really wanted to not restart since, you know, a mod bot powder and wanted you guys to just relax a little bit. But no. Oh, yes, girl. Natty's taken away. She says, we are gonna have fun in here and be positive. I don't have time for that nonsense. I sell it. Yes, condition the chat. Don't even give them the opportunity. Alrighty. I'm gonna do one more because I want a fat powder bomb. I want more. I want more. I want these last four to be so fat. All right. Here we go. Oh, that was so good. Goodness. That was so pretty. Natty. That was beautiful. Thank you. Thank you for the heart, me love. I see you, girl. All right, y'all. We added in everything. What time is it? 11. Pine glowing cans are $2. Oh, that's nice. She's thick. I'm hoping that people start having the powders by next week. I'm really hoping. Yeah, if you want to, we can restart. Thank you. I really don't pay attention. I just vibe. You want to be mean? That's a you problem, not a me problem. You don't like me? That's a you problem, not a me problem. All right, y'all. She will send for 3 cans if y'all want to restart. You just need a little bit of liquids. Thank you. Thank you so much for your kind words. Yes, I'm trying to get way better. I promise I'll get better. I'll ignore it. It was hard last week, but hey, I'm learning. Hey, Ceci. How are you, my love? Big baller H, yes, with those galaxies. Thank you, Coley. I'm trying. I'm learning. I do powder play. It's one of my favorite things to do at the beginning of videos I shoot. I've never done it on live though. Oh, I hope your day's over soon. This is so creamy. That was nice. Yeah? We can definitely start with powder play. Alright, y'all, I need somebody, you're not gonna lie. I want like 8 cans added to this. It should get thick. ASMR and pine. I definitely can restart and do powder play. But after the powder play, we do have to have somebody be willing to send for at least a liquid so that we can do some squeezes. Like some, you know. I'm so sorry it's been rough. It makes me sad. Hey, Pablo. How are you? I don't know. I don't know how I stand. Woo! It's so silky. You walked out of a meeting today? I feel that. I've walked out of jobs before and said, I'm done. I'm so sorry. You need to de-stress, my love. Get some sponges and angry squeeze them tonight. I love wintergreen. She's my girl. I always will. I always put her out, but I've only had somebody put it in live once. I play in wintergreen all the time. She's my favorite. You'll send for 3, they're $2 each. Alright, cool. We'll do some powder play, and then our liquid will be wintergreen. Hell yeah. Alright, y'all. Say bye to this beautiful... You know, this is something I really do want to save. What do you guys think? I normally do not save, but this is a very nice consistency. Ugh. We're gonna save. I don't do this. I think this will be like the second time ever. These mods are fine. They are sexy. This is just way too good to let go of. It's so like a perfect soft scrub. It'd be great in a video later. You guys even see what I'm doing. This is rare footage. I don't know, maybe I'll put it in a video. That's normally what I do. That's what I do with my save. They go in videos that I make. It does look like a gross color, but it's a great consistency. Oh, something keeps stabbing me on my hand. All right, that is enough. I have a fever. She's ill. All right, let me grab a lid. All right. All right, let's turn that water on. Thank you. Thank you for sending. This is gonna be fun. Wintergreen and Comet, yes please. I need to know which one of y'all is really Pablo. I know it's one of you. Oh, okay, I got it. Yes. Ray, you're going live? Hell yeah! I need a pre-send. Oh man, they're thick. Oh yeah. Oh my god. I'm about to do 3 cans of Comet and 3 cans of wintergreen after some powder play. I do like soap.